Alright, so I have here with me Baba MOBAD. Coincidentally, he just came back from the final coroner inquest of MOBAD case. He's just coming from the court now. Although he said he's not happy with the verdict of the court. But then again, the courts don't talk. If there's anything that can move on, we go do one. That being said, Baba MOBAD, there's a lot of questions I would like to ask you, and me, I will just go straight to the point. Now, straight to the point. And I beg, you go good make we use pidgin.
Okay.
Just leave English so that everybody go feel understand.
Okay.
I beg. Okay. I beg. More just they go with pidgin.
Okay, so.
Now, on that day when MOBAD buy, how you take find out?
My YORUBA call me. YORUBA is living in Ikorodu.
Okay.
I myself am in Ikorodu. Just 3 bus stop to each other.
Okay.
Now she call me.
Tell you.
He tell me say my son dey hospital now and they need my attention there.
Okay, so she call you say your son dey hospital. At what time and which day be this?
At 4:30. That was September 12.
On that same September where they say MOBAD don't die.
Yes.
She call you talk say your son no well.
No well. You say he dey hospital now and they need.
She no tell you say he don't die. She say he no well. Meaning say he dey alive.
Yes.
On September 12 by 4:30. Okay. After that, what happened?
I now be at the bus stop expecting
her to come.
Her to come. Suddenly, in with she with Cynthia's sister. That is Yatunde.
They arrive.
Say Okada.
So as they come now,
as they come, they just come up for the bus stop. Not be the person when I say making.
Wait for you.
I just follow them to where they want to enter for me. As we reach here, they don't be on the boat. We meet only one person. I join them. I begin to listen to how they call MOBAD on phone.
MOBAD, that is
my wife. MOBAD.
No.
That is MOBAD mother.
No, I think say you talk say MOBAD mother and Cynthia's sister.
That is Yatunde.
Okay, so when you come reach the ferry, MOBAD, now in the ferry now.
In the ferry, and Yatunde did the ferry also.
So who they call for phone?
They call MOBAD.
Okay, somebody they call MOBAD.
Somebody they call MOBAD.
Okay, so
and they call that sister also.
Okay, so somebody they talk to them.
Yes. And they listen to them.
Okay.
They now say, okay, maybe they come so a Sapa London bus stop. And then we go. We go. You know, say hold up day.
Okay.
We reach Osapa London at 6:30. It was to 7.
In the evening.
In the evening.
Okay.
Now, when they now call MOBAD again, say we don't reach bus stop. Maybe where we will come.
Carry
pick us here. They say, okay. I just collect the phone from MOBAD.
Okay.
I dey here now. Who will come pick me here? Because the way when they say they call MOBAD, it dey somehow when we say person wey they call, they know they reach 5 minutes. They go see they call them again.
But by this time, when we reach there by 7, when we don't reach Osaba London,
yes.
All this talk when they talk. Anybody don't talk say, this boy don't die.
No.
Nobody don't talk for this time.
Nobody says.
So which time when I reach where the MOBAD house there? At what time?
When we now reach that bus stop,
okay.
I collect phone and I receive the person where they call. With this also place, they say, make we go back or say the boy don't turn to the treatment, say the treatment don't go. Say no problem again.
I don't understand.
Now so they tell me, now the Russia they call MOBAD.
Wait, Baba MOBAD. Wait now. Wait. On the 12th of September, they call you by 4:30, say your picking no well.
Yes.
Now your wife call you.
Yeah.
You can't tell your wife, say you dey wait for one bus stop, then she come meet you, more and go where your son dey. This call where they call, they say MOBAD dey hospital, right?
Yes.
And they receive treatment.
Yes.
So when una reach Osapa London, they see una picking.
Yeah.
By 7, they can't tell una say, more no worry, you done the day okay. True?
May go back.
That's what they told you. And the person where they talk to you now who?
Darusha.
Darusha. Who be Darusha to you?
Darusha is a junior to the MOBAD.
is a brother to Iya Mohbad. So Darosha, okay? No talk again for here, beg. You know the deal that day. Now let this man the deal, please. So Darosha is a brother to Iya Mohbad.
Yes.
That means Darosha and Mohbad uncle. So now Darosha tell you say, just they go back, Mohbad on the day, okay. This was about 7 to 8. Now, what did you now do after that time?
We now decide. I want to go to his house to meet him.
Okay.
Even I made one statement, they say, in a Yoruba land, where they begin use this kind of calling language, that means something done, bless him, my son don't die. I said it. Because I see the way when they say they cause things, say this person nowhere, he nowhere. Now they come out say, you don't do okay now, you go back. I don't know, I can just put it.
I understand. I understand where you go. So now, when you decide to reach the house.
I decide to reach the house. Before I reach that house, 9 don't knock.
9 o'clock don't knock.
Because of the odor. As I enter, the block gate, the block enter to the sitting room.
Okay.
I begin to introduce myself. I beg, come off for road. Because I see a lot of
people.
The whole street don't full up with people.
Okay.
I mean, no here. So, I now say, let me just pass kitchen. I pass kitchen. Through that kitchen, I meet nothing. I just climb up, go up, because that's when we normally meet, me and my MOBAD. As I enter, I see Dube soaked with blood.
You get picture of this Dube? You
No, I don't.
Okay, so as of that time,
So,
mind
I just see that soaked in Dube. Even Iya Mohbad's sister said, my sister, you want to say you don't see that soaking blood?
Wait. Man, I know they do my life. Me now, what you see now, what?
That's
Leave every other person. So you now, you can't see the soaking blood.
See the
what
soaking
else?
blood.
Okay.
Now from there, they hear voice of what they call this lifestyle. Daddy, Emma Bo, come and see. They here, the body is here.
Lifestyle, they shout.
In the church, in the call me say,
can't see
the body here. People say I pass through sitting room. They just park the body at one corner. I can see the body there. But me pass kitchen, go up, and I saw that dude soaking with the blood. When I just come down, I met MOBAD body labless.
Who was with him?
I met her Friday. It was embalmed already. I was shocked.
Just the talk.
That is how I come out from the city room.
Okay.
Go outside. See where they cry there. What thing happened to your husband?
Okay.
He come to me say, Baba, the injection when they carry give am, na him result for him body o. Make they carry am go village, go do ritual. You know me as a pastor. Go do ritual or make they carry am go village.
So as you just see the wife,
yeah.
How many people did there? Before you talk about this in wife now, where she they tell you say, okay, this one. Who did that place?
In that, you know, say na compound, they don't lock gates.
Yes. Inside the house, where you see your pikin body.
Darosha did there.
Okay.
Lifestyle did there.
Okay.
DJ Bami did there.
Okay.
Adra was there.
Okay.
There's 2 afar when I met.
Okay.
What's again? This woman, that was a woman when Yalolade, he made me there.
Okay, those are all the people where you
Those
remember.
are the people that I remember.
Okay, so what you can't ask them? You can't ask them and say.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa a kí yín pé ẹ kú déédéé wòyí ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu bàbá Mohbad èyí tí Very Dark Man béèrè lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ bí ikú Mohbad ṣe jẹ́ èyí tí ọmọ rẹ̀ tó sì sọ wípé ìyàwó rẹ̀ ló ṣekú pa. Ẹ gbọ́ ǹjẹ́ ìyàwó rẹ̀ ni tàbí kìí ṣe ìyàwó rẹ̀ kọ́? Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ subscribe, ẹ like, ẹ share, ẹ comment sórí YouTube channel wa. Ọ̀nà ìrìjì báyìí ti di ìjọ́ mìíràn ọjọ́ rẹ̀ ìrè lójú òun rí ó dàbọ̀.